Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making potatoes porridge with the kids. So here I have my potatoes. As you can see, they are helping mommy to cut it and peel off the back before I can now finally wash it and set it aside. So here they are trying to remove the back, then cut it into smaller sizes. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. So they are almost done. I'm trying to teach them how to cook because one will be in SS1 by September. Before you know it, now you will now enter university. So by then I would love for all of them to know how to cook, so that by then he will be able to prepare his own meals and eat healthy just like mommy because health is wealth. So yeah, they are done. So I had to wash it, as you can see in this video, and after washing it I had to set it aside. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So on a clean pot, I added my red oil, as you can see in this video. So after that, I allowed the oil to heat up a little, then added my chopped onions, as you can see in this video. Then I had to saute for a few minutes, as you can see in this video, followed by fresh red pepper, as you can see. Then I had to stir fry for a few minutes. Then after that, I added my fresh tomatoes. As you can see, I love using fresh tomatoes to prepare my meals. So I added my fresh tomatoes and had to stir for a few minutes. Then followed by salt, as you can see in this video. After I added salt, I had to turn it very well. Then followed by seasoning cubes, as you can see. Then after that, I had to turn it very well. I had to stir very well. Then the next one, I added my crayfish, as you can see in this video. Then I had to turn it very well, as you can see. For a few minutes. So the next one, I had to wash my locust bean and African oil beans. Iru and opaka in Igbo. Yoruba people call it Iru. So I just added it into my pot. They are so nutritious, so I always love to cook with them. Though most people use Iru in their fada rice, but me, any meal I feel like adding it, I use it. So here I just added my stock. If you don't have stock, you can use your water, your clean water. I got the stock from my seasoned fish. So I added more salt to taste. Had to cover my pot for a few minutes. Then gradually started adding my potatoes, as you can see in this video. I wanted to fry oven grill fish, so I had to season it using salt, maggi, pepper, curry, thyme, and other orishirishi. So after, the water is what I got as stock. So the next one, this is kpomo and grilled fish. So here I have my utazi and ugu. That's what I'll be using as vegetables for this meal, as you can see. So I had to pluck it, wash it, and set it aside, because that's what I'll be using. So now I just added my kpomo cow skin, and I had to give it a good mix gently, then followed by my fish. It is from this fish that I got that stock before grilling it, so I had to mix it very well. So as you can see, our food is almost ready. The next one, I added my vegetables. I used utazi leaf and ugu leaf and gently mixed it together. Do it gently so that your fish will still remain intact. If you turn it fast, everything, the fish go just about the meat. So you have to turn it gently, yes, so that your fish will still be intact. Okay, as you can see, so your fish will be intact, so you have to turn it gently from every angle of the pot. Okay, so our food is ready, as you can see. Now the next is to plate as a chef. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and always share my videos, please. You can share it on your WhatsApp, on Facebook, anywhere, on your story, Instagram story. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.